YouTube, what's up? It's your boy WaveManMike, and in this video I'm gonna be talking about what I do for my morning method. Alright, so this is what I do for my morning method and what you could do for your morning method too. This is really helpful because a lot of people always comment on my YouTube videos and they always hit me in my Instagram DM saying like, I wake up, I take off my do-rag, and then I brush my hair, and then my hair stands up. They say something like, my hair's laid down, then I brush it, and then it stands up. Either they say that, or they're like, I wake up with my do-rag on, I take it off, I see waves, and I brush my hair, and then my hair just turns curly. So this method right here is going to help you out, because this is what you need to do to keep your waves looking nice, even after you take your do-rag off. Alright, so first thing you want to do is when you take your do-rag off, first of all, before you take your do-rag off, take your shower, do anything that involves water first. So get in the shower with your do-rag still on. If you take off your do-rag and then get in the shower, the water's just going to get your hair wet and your hair's going to frizz up, which means it's not going to lay down no more. It's going to be standing up. So take your shower first, then take your do-rag off. What you want to do, instead of getting a medium brush, instead of getting a hard brush, you want to get a soft brush. You don't want to get a medium or hard brush because what they're going to do is pull your hair and make it stand up. And that's the opposite of what you want to do. You want to get a soft brush because the soft brush is going to lay your hair down more. Obviously, it can't lay your hair down more than a do-rag. So it's not going to lay your hair down more than it is with the do-rag, like what the do-rag did. But if you have like, really in the morning, you really don't need to be brushing for real. What you really need to do, the only brushing you need to do in the morning is to get your hairline right, get your tapers right on the sides and the back, and that's really all you need to do. Real brush sessions happen like after you come back from school or when you are in school and your hair gets messed up. But yeah, if you do decide to do a brush session before school, I recommend that you do it with a soft brush. We ain't done yet. What you really need to do is the plastic bag method. If you never heard of the plastic bag method, that's okay, because I got you. I made a video on the plastic bag method, so you can go check that video out. If you're really serious about this wave stuff, by now, you would have already checked that video out. And if you didn't, you're going to go check it out now. But if you're really serious about this wave stuff, you should be subscribed to my YouTube channel already. After all, I am the Wave Man. No, but for real, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I am right now hosting a giveaway because I just hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm giving away one of these brushes. You can enter in that giveaway right now. And even if you don't win, it's still okay because I'm going to be doing another giveaway when I hit another goal anyway. But yeah, like I was saying, do the plastic bag method. Basically, you just put your hand inside of a Ziploc bag and you rub it on your hair. I explained that further in my other video, my plastic bag method video. So like I said, go ahead and check that video out because, like, why wouldn't you check it out? This is literally to help you out. And while I'm on the subject of help you out, why don't you help me out? Go ahead and like the video. Like, I'm making this video to help you out, help you do what you need to do. So why can't you just help me out by just liking the video? It takes me hours to record and edit these videos, and it takes you 1 second to like the video, which I spent hours making for you. So please just go ahead and like the video. It isn't going to hurt anybody. It's not going to hurt you. So just like the video. I don't see what's the big deal. Why can't you just like the video? You've been watching this video for several minutes now anyway. So, I mean, with those minutes, you could have spent 1 second liking the video. So go ahead and like the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video anyway. Go ahead and like the video like I said before. Comment down below some comments. Go check out my giveaway video because, like I said, I'm doing a giveaway right now. And you don't want to miss out on that. Come on, you don't want to miss your chance to get a free brush. Look, and this brush is really nice looking. Look at this. It's a medium brush. made by another YouTuber named 360 Wave Process. So go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go check out that that giveaway video, because without looking at that video, you won't know the steps on how to enter the giveaway. And if you don't know the steps, you can't enter. If you don't enter, you can't win. Go ahead and check out that video. Share this video with other people you know, because I know you know somebody else with waves. Don't be selfish. Share this video with other people, because it's going to help not only you out, but it's going to help them out. And if you have like a wave squad or something, now y'all all can do this method, and y'all could be the waviest people in school, or the waviest people you know. But yeah, I'm WaveManMike. Enjoy your day.